we gonna check it? Well, Willie didn't seem too interested. He didn't seem very interested. He likes the crumbs though. Alright, we have had a terrible cooking day today. I think it's the 24th of May. It has been cotton candy clouds all day long, but this ain't looking good at all. Can't hardly get the lid off here. Oh, wow, I am surprised. Pleasantly so. This is over 3 hours, guys. Probably 3 hours and 20 minutes, maybe. $180. I'll be surprised if we hit 190. Just getting a 5-minute stretch of straight sunshine has been a real challenge today. That's 190. And I really don't think it's going any higher than that. But I'll take it. I'll take it. So this was the oversized front panel. So we squeaked that one out. The others are smaller, less surface area. So I really kind of doubt we're gonna be successful, but you know, we're doing this to learn, so. Yeah, Willie's growling at something over there. As big and scary as you are, Willie, I'm sure they're shaking in their boots, buddy. I'm sure they're shaking in their boots. That vicious Yorkie poo over there. Got them all faked out. All right. Just over 100 degrees on the, this one might be. Come on now, come on, come on. This is not going well. Come on. Oh no, this is just a doughy mess. This is a doughy mess. It smells like dough. Whoa, that's cranking hot. It's cranking hot. Look at that. No, that's a fail. That's definitely. Well, let's poke it in there. Willie, you want some bread, buddy? Willie? Yeah, we're not even gonna get to. Not even gonna get to 180, I don't think. $178, looking like all it's gonna do. Yep. Well, that was not good. So evidently, the collection area was key today. But when you get your dough all thawed out, on the off chance that you get a little bit of sunshine, you roll with the punches. All right. I did have an oops from last night too. That's why there's 3 cookers out here today. And I know that other one's not done, the modified cooking. But I left, there was 1 solitary frozen loaf left in the bag, and that got left on the counter all night. So I tried to put biscuits in this bunt pan, and I know that's stuck to the lid. What I may do here is bump it over to the oversized front panel and finish it off. I think we're going to have to improvise, adapt, and overcome today. That's what we're going to do. Put this here. Get the one decent loaf out. As good a cooker. Whoa. As good a cooker as that modified cook it is, it's hard to cook in the shade. So we'll leave this out here for another half hour and try to pick up the pieces here. We'll bring you back. Okay. Ready or not, here we come. Making the best of a bad situation here. See if I can even. Alright. Let's see here. That's not even done. I doubt that's even done. Oh wow. 190. 94. Let's see, we're looking at 195. So that surprises me. Where it's stuck to the glass is definitely gooey. Alright, so that was the last of it, and it has been, oh man, 4.5 hours or so. So it was a tough slog today, but lessons learned. Thanks for tagging along. I'm definitely going to use this bunt pan idea again. Hopefully with full sun. We'll see how that works out. Thanks for coming along.